Now, you know the bull market is upon us when people are starting to justify Shiba Inu coin to $1. Now, this article says, Pundit says, why can't Shiba Inu coin reach a penny if Bitcoin can reach 1 million? Now, we're going to be talking about it in this video because SHIB to $1, SHIB to 10 cents, SHIB to a penny, it is very, very difficult. And, well, although market caps would be similar, we absolutely need to discuss it because Bitcoin at $1 million is not easy, but Shiba Inu coin is definitely not Bitcoin. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over a very interesting article. Why can't Shiba Inu coin reach 1 cent if Bitcoin can reach $1 million? Now, we're going to be talking a little bit about that in this video, but I also want to point out, if you guys have not been diversifying into tiny little meme coins like Wall Street Pepe, you need to check this one out. Shiba Inu coin's days of 1,000,000% returns are probably over, unless of course we burn 99+% of the supply. These tiny little tokens like Wall Street Pepe, yes, they are a greater risk, but of course they come with a greater reward as well. The lower market cap leads to higher capital gains potential. The lower amount of investors, the lower value at the beginning, leads to higher potential gains in the future. And Pepe Unchained, guys, is doing an amazing job, raising nearly $1 million a day, just soaring through these milestones. And of course, you can see that about 3 hours ago, this timer reset. The timer reset, not because it ticked all the way down from 4 days, but of course it reset because this milestone here was reached. And I believe it was around $3.2 million. Now, what we can see is that in the next 3 days and 21 hours, the price of Wall Street Pepe is going to rise, or of course when it reaches $3.9 million. I can almost guarantee you that this one is going to reach $3.9 million before this 4-day timer ticks out. So if you guys want to get the best price possible, you have to buy in now. And of course, you could buy with crypto or card. It is very easy. You got a link for it in the description below. Don't mess around with all those other links. They're probably fake links on Google and so on. Anyway, best wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet. Very easy to scan this QR code, click connect, and then type in how much you want to buy. I have bought into Wall Street Pepe. I'm excited about all of the Pepe coins. You saw how well Pepe Unchained did. It's gearing up. I believe it's going to be launching tomorrow. So we're going to have a lot of fun seeing what happens with that. Going to be some major volatility as people selling, people buying, and we got to see what happens with the price there. But Wall Street Pepe doing nearly $1 million a day in demand. Absolutely huge. Now, let's talk about what these guys are saying for Shiba Inu coin and the 1 penny mark. It says that in a bold tweet, Lola, a prominent commentator within the Shiba Inu coin community, sparked a conversation about the potential future of Shiba Inu coin. She drew comparisons to Bitcoin and posed a thought-provoking question. If Bitcoin can reach a $1 million market cap, or $1 million, price per coin, why can't Shiba Inu coin reach a penny? Notably, prominent industry leaders have argued for a future where Bitcoin could be worth $1 million per coin. They include Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy, financial author Robert Kiyosaki, and former ex-CEO Jack Dorsey. These industry experts have forecasted that Bitcoin could reach this lofty price as early as 2030, just 6 years away. At $1 million a coin, Bitcoin would have a total market valuation of around $21 trillion. Yes. And guys, I don't have it up here. But the total valuation of gold, all of the gold ever mined in the entire world, is worth around $13 trillion. So put it in perspective. If Bitcoin does go to $1 million, it is going to be worth well over all of the gold that has ever been mined at $13 trillion. While experts are unanimous in their bold forecast for Bitcoin, skepticism remains regarding Shiba Inu coin's potential to reach a lofty target like the 1 cent dream. Now, 1 cent on Shiba Inu coin is a $5.89 trillion valuation. It's more than the current price of Bitcoin. But I'm going to agree and I'm going to disagree, right? Just because Bitcoin is rising in value does not mean that Shiba Inu coin is guaranteed to rise in value as well. Bitcoin has been out for, well over a decade. Shiba Inu coin is just in its infancy stages. It is a meme coin, and you have to find the money to flow into it. Now, with Bitcoin. Bitcoin could get to that $1 million market, or $1 million price point, not market cap. Bitcoin's well above $1 million market cap. Bitcoin could get to that $1 million price point because institutions are buying in, governments are buying in, retail investors are buying in, people are putting their 401ks and their retirement plans in Bitcoin. There are billions, if not tens of billions of dollars flowing in and out of Bitcoin every single day. It is absolutely insane, the amount of money. Now, Shiba Inu coin would need to see that same level of inflow, that same level of outflow. Where are we going to get? This is the thing. If Bitcoin goes to a $20 trillion valuation, and Ethereum's at a $10 trillion valuation, and Solana's at a $10 trillion value, where do we get all of that money? That's the question, right? You need to put that money into a liquidity pool. You need that money to go in and buy these assets for the price to go up. A lot of people think that the price is just some line on a screen, right? It's just a green line going up, and it's just a green line going down. Guys, the green lines are representations of inflows, and the red lines are representations of outflows. So whether you're looking at XRP, or you're looking at Shiba Inu coin, or you're looking at Bitcoin, all of these lines represent buys and sells. And if we're going to see a $5 trillion valuation on Shiba Inu coin, we need a lot of buys. Now, if you're interested in buying, because I don't think that it's impossible to reach those levels one day. Because, you know, if all of a sudden the cryptocurrency market is worth $100 trillion 30, 40 years down the road, it's almost as naive to say that Shiba Inu coin can't reach a certain price because it's just too much, right? I just don't believe it. Well, dude, go back 20, 30 years and tell the people that, you know, Apple would be worth several $1 trillion. Go back 10, 15 years and tell somebody that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000. It just doesn't seem possible at the time. But as the future unfolds, as the impossible happens and becomes possible every single day, I don't think that we can ever say no or guarantee no, because I truly do believe that anything is possible. Now, if you guys are interested in accumulating, you got a link for the KSEC centralized exchange down in the description. Excellent trading platform. But the BitUnix trading platform, I started using these guys a couple days ago. I'm accumulating out on BitUnix because starting Q1 of 2025, they've got bots. Okay, bot trading can take advantage of all of these ups and downs, buying on the lows, selling on the highs, all day, all night long. I am here to take out as much money as possible during this upcoming bull market and during the crazy volatility. On top of that, some of you guys are excellent traders. You just might not have as much money as you want. So therefore, copy trading. If you can make it on the first page here, right? If you make it on this first page, people will follow you. This guy, two guys dropped off, 498 now. He had 500 yesterday. 107, 100 followers, 266, 332 followers. These guys have excellent returns, right? And look, $476,000 under management. Yesterday, that was about $450,000, which means his followers made $25,000 in the last day. If they made $25,000, he's making $10,000. He's making $2,500. He's making $2,500 because he makes 10% of their profit. So guys, they're ecstatic because they made 25 grand. He's ecstatic because he made 2,500. This can happen to any of us. All we have to do is simply go out there, become a lead trader, and then of course get followers to follow you. So you got bot trading, you've got copy trading, and you've got leverage trading. Check this out. If you want to buy Bitcoin on this little dip here, you can buy Bitcoin on up to 125x leverage. That means $1,000 in your account lets you buy $125,000 worth of Bitcoin. You could buy one Bitcoin for less than $1,000. It's absolutely incredible, the opportunity that we have. Now, please understand the risk to reward ratio of leverage trading, bot trading, all of that stuff. You guys are adults. You guys can understand it. But let me know what you're doing, because I am here to make as much money as possible in this bull market. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.